Bees and butterflies depend on nectar and pollen for their existence, which they find in flowers. Flowers that grow from bulbs are particularly suitable and provide a lot of nectar and pollen. But the bees and butterflies aren't doing well. So I say, plant more flowers in your yard. Flowers that grow from bulbs act like a magnet for bees and butterflies. Especially grape hyacinths, snowdrops, anemones. Tulips, crocuses, and hyacinths are the greatest magnets of them all. So plant those now, preferably in a sunny spot. Because the more sun, the more nectar, and the more they'll be able to enjoy it. Then there are the ornamental onions, or alliums, with those purple spherical umbels made up of little florets. And each floret produces a lot of nectar. So ornamental onions are a source of nutrition, for butterflies in this case, so don't hold back. Would you like more information on bulbs in general? Or bulbs suited for bees and butterflies? Check out www.bulb.com. And this is exactly what bees and butterflies just love.